Can you speed YouTube video more than 2x? Well, in order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application YouTube. Once you're in the home page of YouTube, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on the settings icon at the top right. Inside settings, head over to playback. You can see there is no any option or the feature in order for you to increase the video speed more than 2x. Even if you go back and general, there is no any options. So what else you need to do is go back and click on one of the video that you want to play. Let me play this one for now. Well, let's say you want to view this video with the playback speed more than 2x, then click on the video, tap on the settings icon, click on playback speed. Well, you can see more than 2x speed. You can also do the 3x speed. In order to do that, click on it. You will need to purchase the premium version of YouTube, so click on try 1 month for $0. Follow the on-screen process, pay the amount for the premium version, and then you will be able to increase the speed to 3x, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.